Quick tip here on the Prius headlight bulbs when just changing bulbs, not the headlight assemblies themselves. I did a whole nother video on that. These Phillips H11, there's a bunch of different ones of the H11s. Some are brighter than others. I got some of the brighter ones, and this passenger side is the hardest one to get to. It looks like it's really hard to get to this one on the driver's side, but it's not. There's plenty of room back here between the fuse box. So it's just enough room to where it's nice and roomy. But over here, the only reason it looks really roomy right now is because I took the air cleaner snorkel out. And once the air cleaner snorkel is out, you can really get your arm in here, all the way down in here. There's just enough room now to go from hand to elbow down here and really stick your elbow down in there, and then you can get just the right angle and get in there. I also took these bolts loose from the reservoir, and then the reservoir can go back ever so slightly, which makes a big difference. Now, I have an aftermarket oil catch can that I sneaked down in here before I put my snorkel on, which is also in the way. And with this snorkel out of the way, I can move it over here out of the way, and like I said, put my whole arm down there if I want to, and just change that with ease. They're 10mm bolts. There's 3 of them, and they are positioned here and right here. There are only 2 bolts on the reservoir, here, and I do not take the hoses loose because I don't want to lose any fluid. I just want it to go back that little bit. Because we have over 1,000 repair videos now, I've made separate playlists. I'll link here at the end of the video for transmission parts ID, and another separate playlist for transmission repair. Thank you for watching. I'm Victor Sane, and this is Tigger the Shop Cat, trying to build a library of knowledge to leave behind. If you want to help, please put comments below or visit Saneauto.com. The subscribe button is right there, and then you hit the bell, and it'll appear down here, and you hit all. To see links in the description of the video, look below the video. You'll see more, and then the description pops up. Make the description go away after you've scrolled through and found the links that you want. The X to hit like. This site contains affiliate links for which I may be compensated.